Hi guys, today I'll show you how to fix recycle bin drive error. So let's get started. First thing what you have to do is, you need to find the drive letter mentioned on the error pop-up message box. Mine was drive F. Yours may be different. Once you found it, go to that drive, then select View, then select Options. Go to View tab. You need to check the box Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Once you scroll down a bit and you need to uncheck the Hide Protected Operating System Files and select Yes. Then click Apply and OK. Once you have done this step, you'll see a folder called Recycle Bin, then follow my steps. Once you are done, the problem will be fixed. After this, now you can re-hide all those settings. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button.